Strainrite started in 1986. It's a family-owned business and we're proud that it's Kiwi-owned. I came from a farming background in mid-Canterbury. I'm a qualified engineer and I'm the director of Strainrite. My factory is located in Wellington, New Zealand. I can walk out of the door and interact with the R&D team, engineering workshop and factory floor, home to some of the latest technology in manufacturing. Our innovative success comes from our active connection with farmers and fencing contractors. Marrying this with my early farming life, over 50 years of manufacturing experience, and the skilled team of problem solvers behind me has made Strainrite what it is today. We're known globally for our quality and ingenuity, manufacturing a full range of fencing tools and equipment, including wire strainers, wire jennies, undergate cable, and our famous pigtail standards. Our customers consider its strong channel profile to be the best in-ground holding in the market. In a nutshell, super strong, robust and reliable. To learn more about Strainrite, visit www.strainrite.co.nz for information and instructional videos.